Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 15.10 and the topic is to find the area of the given shaded region with the help of integration. I tried in that lecture question number 3 but I failed to do because I forgot the concept of the shaded region which is below the x-axis. So if the shaded region is below the x-axis and if our answer is negative, so we must convert that answer is positive, which I didn't do. Therefore in today's class I am doing question number 3 again and explain each and every step. But before I start question number 3, first I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lecture of this topic and also you must watch previous lectures of this chapter. After watching, then you will have good command on this topic. So let's start question number 3. The diagram is given and we have to find the total shaded region. One word is missing, total area of the shaded region. So I wrote area, it is printing mistake. First we have to simplify the equation. Y is equals to x plus 2 x plus 1 x minus 1. So y is equals to x plus 2 and x plus 1 x minus 1 can be expanded by using a square minus b square formula. A plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So it is x square minus 1 square is 1. Further multiply, x into x square is x cube, x into 1 is x, 2 into x square is 2x square, 2 ones are 2. Y is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. What is the formula of the area under the curve, below the curve or above the curve? It is a to b, limit a to b, fx dx. Fx means y because y is the function of x. Therefore we have to apply the limit. Focus, there are two parts of shaded region. One is from minus 2 to minus 1 and the second from minus 1 to 1. So we have to evaluate two areas. First from minus 2 to minus 1 and y is x cube plus 2 x square minus x minus 2, and then we have to evaluate limit minus 1 to 1. Y is same, x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 dx, and then we will add both the solution, both the areas. So one by one we have to integrate. First I am going to integrate from minus 2 to minus 1. So x cube integration is x4 upon 4 plus 2. X square integration is x cube upon 3 minus x integration is x square upon 2 minus 2 dx integration is x. And the limit is from minus 2 to minus 1. 1 upon 4, apply the limit on x4. Upper limit is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Minus from the formula. Then minus 2 to the power 4 is plus 16. Plus 2 upon 3. Apply the limit on x cube. Upper limit is minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus from the formula. Lower limit is minus 2. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus minus plus 8. Minus 1 upon 2 x square. Upper limit is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus lower limit is minus 2. Minus 2 square is plus 4. Then minus 2 x. For x, upper limit is minus 1. Minus lower limit is minus 2. So it is minus minus plus 2. Now simplify it. One upon 4. 1 minus 16 is minus 15. 2 upon 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. Minus 1 upon 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. More simplification. 15 into 1 is minus 15 upon 4. 2 sevens are 14 upon 3. Minus minus plus. 3 ones are 3 upon 2. Minus 2 is equals to, taking LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12. 3 into minus 15 is minus 45. Plus 3 4s are 12. And 4 into 14 is 56. Plus 2 6s are 12. 6 3s are 18. And minus 2 12s are minus 24. Is equals to, take the help from calculator. Answer is 5. So 5 upon 12 is the area of the shaded region when the limit is from minus 2 to minus 1. Now we will do the same work but limit from minus 1 to 1. Now integrate minus 1 to 1. Okay, I will use another color pencil in order to differentiate. Integrate minus 1 to 1 x cube plus 2 x square minus x minus 2 dx. So same answer. X cube integration is x4 upon 4 plus 2 x square integration is x cube upon 3. X integration is x square upon 2 minus 2 integration is minus 2x. And the limit this time is from minus 1 to 1. One upon 4. Apply limit on x4. 1 power 4 is 1 minus 1 power 4 is also 1 plus 2 upon 3 x cube. 1 power 3 is 1 minus Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1, so it is minus minus plus 1. 1 upon 2 x square. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 square is also 1 minus 2x. X is 1 minus x is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 upon 4 is 0, plus 2 upon 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 cancel by 1, answer is 0, minus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 to the 4, 4 upon 3, minus 2 to the 4. LCM 3 for the 12, 12 minus 4 is minus 8 upon 3. But students, see this example. I want to show something. See this example. Find the area of the shaded region. The final answer is minus 4.5. But we have to write the positive answer, that is 4.5 square unit. So this is the formula. If our answer of area is negative, so we have to convert it into positive. So this minus 8 upon 3, hence this minus 8 upon 3 becomes 8 upon 3. Therefore, total shaded area would be, what was the first answer? Our first answer was 5 upon 12. Our second answer is 8 upon 3. Take the LCM of 12. 5 plus 3 4s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. It is 37 upon 12, or in mixed number you can write 3 whole 1 upon 12. So this is our final answer. I did a silly mistake. I forgot the concept. I added directly in our last lecture, but I told you in that lecture that I will do the question again. Student, teacher is also a student. Kindly keep in mind, teacher can also do mistake, but it doesn't mean that teacher doesn't know that concept. Sometimes we teachers also forget some basic concepts. So kindly understand this and focus on my hard work. This is our today's class, where we did question number 3 only. And in next lecture I will do another very important question, that is question number 4, because in this question first we have to sketch the curve, and then after sketching we have to find the area bounded by the curve. So very easy question. Question number 5 is very easy, 6 is very easy, 7. So try to finish this exercise in 2 lectures. So student, this is our today's class. If you feel that my lectures are helping you, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.